You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Disney princess from Brave. If you want to learn more character names from Disney that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Merida, it comes from the Spanish name originally, I believe kind of Spanish, even though she's Scottish, so I'm not certain. Merida, I'm not sure where does the name come from. It's pronounced, however, Merida. Merida. Stress on the first syllable. Princess Merida. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.